A 128 gig SD card. Howdy, it's J and L, and today we're gonna be doing some shenanigans with this here 2011 13-inch MacBook Pro, which I bought last year, but I didn't show you guys because I was on hiatus. But yeah, today we're going to be installing Haiku on this thing. Kind of like PowerPC Max, you could install BOS, same kind of thing. But first, we're gonna have to go over to my actual computer so I can make the ISO into a bootable CD, because I don't actually have a spare USB to put the installer on, because I'm using the USB to install. So it turns out Haiku's 32-bit version even is too large for a CDR, and I only have CDRs on me. But thankfully, I dug through the archives, and you know what I found? A 128 gig SD card. So I'm gonna have to boot up Disk Utility and image that to this SD card, like in a partition, and then I'm gonna have to actually install to a USB stick, because that was what I was going to do. So installing from an SD card to a USB stick on a MacBook, what could go wrong? Alright, and now that we finally got a success, it's time to install it to this USB. We're going full Team SanDisk here with the Cruiser Glide. So, I'm going to plug this in to the Mac. Hopefully I'll be able to just erase it in. Yeah, I have Mountain Lion installed on one of these partitions, so I'm going to restart. And I'm gonna hold down Option. Here we are. Hello? I only see, USB sticks and the actual SSD. Weird. I guess we'll boot back into High Sierra, and I'll try and diagnose the issue. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so even after another reformat and all of that, I haven't been able to get it to work on this SD card. But I have one more idea, and it'll involve even more partitioning of this poor USB stick, because the second partition is about 16 gigs. So I might be able to squeeze two 8-gig partitions out of it. Well, actually no, because it's only a 1.4 gigabyte ISO, so this might actually work. Installing to the USB stick it's being installed from. So, I'll be back after another fun round of Disk Utility and Balena Etcher. appears even with Rufus. It didn't work. So, no Haiku this time, unfortunately. I think it's just the way they made the ISO makes it really, really weird to Macs, so no Haiku yet, but I will find a system that can run it eventually. So, see y'all next time, and if you like the video, like and subscribe. It really, really helps out. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which is really unlikely, but it could happen, so go ahead and contribute if you want.